Here we come to one of the other elevators here at the University of Arizona Student Union at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. I don't know what the brand of this elevator is, but it also has EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. Let's listen to this awesome chime. This is the newer chime. Let's get a cab view. GAL interlock. Looks like this one may have been replaced. Let's go down to 1. And the door close button works. Capacity 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 4. Very basic, but very nice. A little bit dirty. Let's go up to 2. And the door close button works. Here we go. ADA compliant phone, built car station. And we'll take this one on another ride so we can hear the motor. Door closing, you push the button this time. It's hard to hear the motor over the annoying fan, but we'll hear it in just a second, as much as we can. We'll do a silent trip up, and we'll end the video. Door closed when you push the button. Let's listen to the motor. No classic leveling, unfortunately. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.